i35equipment.com. This Caterpillar D6 N LGP Bulldozer. Welcome you to come look this machine over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to the company if you like. It is shown by appointment only, and we are open by appointment only. So please give us a call to get on the calendar. Number here is 405-833-6437. Be happy to schedule a time and meet you out here to show it to you. Delivery is available. Hear the horn working there. Delivery is available. If you will call, text, email, or fill out the form on our website with your full delivery address, we'll share that delivery address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back with you the best hauling rate that comes back to us, where you can arrange for your own hauling if you like. This unit does have the 6-way blade, up, down, left, right, and tilt. Also has the high track, full cab, factory air conditioning, 2 front and 2 rear work lights, good power, came straight from the ranch, pushing trees, moving dirt. If you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, our specialty here is consignment equipment sales. We have folks all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work equipment. We help you get your equipment sold. Give us a call or fill out the form on our website to learn more about our consignment sales service. If you're in our local area, we do allow folks to dump dirt, rock, and concrete here at the back of our shop. It's got a big hole we're filling in. Just give us a call or stop by and we'll show you where to dump. We allow for rock, dirt, and concrete. Please no trash, trees, or anything else. The machine has good power. We'll let him get parked and climb out of the operator station, then we'll check out the undercarriage. You can hop up inside and take a look around. Hydraulic fluid looks good. Batteries. Fairly new. New ones there, paint on them. for operating, you're just gonna release the pin, twist for forward, twist back for reverse, shifting up and down. Meters look good. Parking brake is currently on. Let's see. I don't remember where the parking brake is, but probably just going to be this point over here. Yep, so that's your parking brake. Up. See the parking brake light comes on. Down. Parking brake light's off. Let's see here. This is going to be your brake control. Up. Tilt. This part here with thumb is going to be twist. Throttle up. Also has a foot accelerator pedal. Horn. I don't know if this is pre-pump for rippers or not. We'll let you inspect that for yourself, but looks like ripper or spool handle could or should be there. We appreciate you taking time to watch this video. It's currently sitting at 14:04, 3.8 hours, and your headlight, air conditioning control. And we do appreciate you taking time to watch the video. I'll do the best we can see. As always, share phone up and online at dozer.com. 45823-6437 is our phone number. Just call, schedule an appointment. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.